Hi, my name is Suhaila binti Sharif. Before we see how the CNC machine for watering plant had developed, I will explain why a CNC machine for watering plant was developed. Before we begin the project's development, in order to produce the project's purpose, we had to conduct a survey using Google Form. The survey has received about 40 responses. All of the respondents agree that watering plant is necessary to keep them alive. However, over half of the respondents indicate that they don't have time to water the plant on a daily basis. The majority of them state that they can only water their plant once a day. 70% of respondents believe that technology can help them save time by reducing the amount of time they spend watering their plants, and majority of them are interested in having this CNC innovation to help them. We may conclude from the survey that the majority of respondents had a difficulty with time and water regulation. They are unable to water their plants due to a lack of time. Furthermore, they are unable to provide adequate water regulation for their plants. To solve the problem, we developed the CNC machine for watering plants.
Hi, my name is Myra Jane, and I will talk more about our CNC machine. Our purpose for this project is to design a watering plant system with a CNC machine. This technology is simple and not complicated for users to learn and use. The CNC machine is to help people with small farm and they do not have time to water their plants because of hectic schedule. Furthermore, this machine will automatically water plants according to the settings that is set in the programming. A CNC machine is also precise, and for our CNC machine, it waters the plant precisely where the plant is located. Here are the list of components that are used. First, Arduino Uno, aluminum profile, stepper motor, pulley wheel, timing belt, timing pulley, motor driver, water pump, and a relay. Next, this is the flowchart for the flow of our project.
Next, we want to talk about the circuit diagram for our project. First, let us talk about the circuit diagram for the stepper motor. We use stepper motor type NEMA 1770HS4401 for this project. This is our circuit diagram for the stepper motor. In this circuit, we use stepper motor NEMA 7017HS4401, L298N motor driver, and also Arduino Uno. Secondly, let us talk about the circuit diagram for water pump DC. We use a micro-submersible water pump DC for this project. This is our circuit diagram for water pump DC. In this circuit, we use a micro-submersible water pump DC, single channel 5V, relay, and also Arduino Uno. Then, we want to talk about coding for our project. This is coding for our project for stepper motor X-axis, Y-axis, and also coding for the water pump DC.
This is how our final project application looks like. When we switch on the supply, the system automatically will water the first plant and followed by the rest of them. For this project, we just involve only 6 plants as a demonstration, so the system will stop and start to water at 6 points. Also, this system just suitable for home gardening with small dimension area. When the system reaches at final point, the same process will be repeated for every 6 hours. For the component connection, we just cover all of them with DIY case to avoid from any water splash. There are 3 drivers we use for 3 stepper motor that only involve Y and X axis. For the water pump, the relay will switch on from normally open to normally closed to activate the water pump when the system was switched on. The relay will turn on for 5 seconds for every watering process for each point. That's all. Thank you.